Hi, I'm Mark Randusky. I am the lifting device product sales manager for Gorbel, and today we're here to talk about the electric chain hoist offering from Gorbel, the GS Hoist. The GS Hoist is available from Gorbel in 1/8 ton all the way up to 5 tons. The entire product range is 460 volt or 230 volt, a 3-phase. We also have a small offering of 575 volt 3-phase hoist for the Canadian market. And we also have on the lower end up to 1 ton, we have a 115 volt single phase offering. We also have manual and push trolleys and all the accessories that go with the electric chain hoist. All of the 3-phase hoists, which include the 460, 230, and 575 volt hoists, are all H4 rated. The 115 volt single phase offering is H3 rated. So you'll hear a theme throughout the entire presentation, and we'll focus on the quality of this hoist offering. The GS hoist is a German designed, German manufactured hoist of very high quality. One of the things what you're going to notice right from the get-go is how quiet the operation of the hoist is, and I'll demonstrate that here. When I press this is a 2-speed hoist, slow speed, fast speed. You'll notice the quiet operation of this hoist, and that quiet operation is because of the quality of the design. One of the things that we'll talk about when we get into some of the details in this presentation is every gear, every machine part in this hoist is manufactured by the manufacturer to meticulous German standards and matched together. So that's one of the reasons you're going to get that real high quality hoist with that nice quiet sound to it. So now you've got a chance to see what the GS hoist is all about, and we talked a little bit about the whole product offering. Let's dig into some of the details of the hoist.